of here. Pull the valve covers off. Kind of worried about a blown head gasket, but not soupy. Not great oil, but none of that crusty stuff in there. Pulled throttle body off. This has to be fixed. Pulled the reservoir off, and I thought that was full of schmoo, but just the top layer kind of coated. Still water in it. I think I'm just going to put these valve covers back on. Change the oil. See what happens. Got our new gasket kit. I think the only thing I'm going to be using out here is the just valve cover gaskets. At least for now. Figure out, you know, what we got going here. I got one hand to do this. There we go. Let's see how it goes. But we do need these. Fuck, those are nice. Look how squishy those are. Man, it's got some squish. And they're purple. Alright, valve steels. Dirt. Exhaust. My throttle body gasket. There it is. Dun. Oh yeah, look at that. Real factory quality. Two giant nuts and a tiny little mini wang. Alright, got new valve cover gaskets in on this side. Valve cover gaskets in on this side. About as clean as she gonna get. And I guess we can put the caulking balls on too. Right there. Ish. And so I got these valve covers out, cleaning one of them. You can tell which one's the cleaner one. I'm barely even scratching the surface on it, but this one, holy fuck. I don't know if this is on account of those cover screws being loose, or just me letting it sit for a while, but good lord, they're just fucking disgusting. Alright, yeah, so I just took some gain and whatnot and started working on this one, and now you can really tell the difference. Came out pretty decent. It's not, it ain't fancy, but a lot better than that. Alright, got these valve covers cleaned up some. This one's not quite as good as the other one. Good enough. Hell of a lot better than they looked. Beautiful day to rinse some shit off. Probably be the last weekend. Alright, we got these puppers back on. They look much better in here. The rest of the engine needs some detailings, but yeah, I did just have this thing started up with battery and fully charged, and tell you a story. I sat here, and I sat here, and I cranked, and I cranked, and I cranked, and I figured, yep, I'll do a couple of those. It's gonna be fucking awesome, right? Digga, bang! I was like, oh, that's not good. So I see a puff of smoke rolling out there, and you know whatnot. Get out looking. I figure, I know I plugged everything back in. So, what's going on? Well, get out of the old dirge here. You know, I come in, you know, look over here, everything's right. And I look up here, everything's right. And then I look down here. Fucking spark plug wires. Fucking dingly dangling down here. Not even plugged in. Not a single one of the three on this side. So I plugged them in. Right? Come back over. I'm like, alright. Hope we don't explode again. You know, do that again. Make sure the fuel pump's primed. Boom! Oh yeah. Love it. Killer at dead, because don't got no coolant in it right now. Gonna let this pupper hang. We're gonna run in town. Get some stuff. Grab some coolant. Probably do an oil change maybe if and I still have light out. Next episode hopefully is gonna be drop and drive shaft, transfer case, maybe even a rear end swap. I know I'm gonna have to take that rear end apart a little bit. Yeah, well, the girl's only got 129 on her. Still got the stock refresh right from the factory. That's right from the factory. And yes, this truck is fucking disgusting. I know, trust me, but got nice seats in it. They'll clean up nice. Anyways, peace and biscuits.
I think my muffler may